troops, another day, another marvelous adventure here at M&M Vlogs. As we can all see, this is Takan. Just behind it is the runway of the airport, and look at my dad. So troops, we're currently in Takan. Previously we've been traveling all around, but finally you guys will be able to see all the natural views and wonders here in Takan, right Dad?
Oh, yun nga mga troops. Tingnan natin yung mga magagandang tanawin dito.
Alright, on to the next video. So troops, as you can all see the stone formation in my back. I'm not quite sure if you're going to be able to see this, but it's a very big stone and it's being lifted by at least a forklift. Right, Dad?
Hello mga katrops. Nandito kami ngayon sa beach sa Lapu-Lapu City.
Troops, normally what we do is we take videos in the highway with the view here in Takan, but this time we can all see the near point of view when you're inside the Takan Road. This is actually a runway near Mactan National Airport. So yeah, I can check out my dad chilling on the beach. Of course, me. Look at my face. If you reach the sky, you can see the airplane going to Manila. This goes to show that this is an actual runway to International Mactan Airport.
Okay troops, alis na kami dito sa Takan. Pupunta na kami sa ibang adventure sa Consolacion, Cebu. Doon kami maghanap ng magagandang tanawin sa lugar ng tiyuhin ko.